Welcome back. So we have more Harbor Freight for you today. These are the new dollar days, which will be going March 13th through March 26th. And let's just go ahead and jump through them. So first, we have the 9-foot by 12-foot disposable drop cloth. $1, 49% off. Next, this Pittsburgh 5-inch jumbo aluminum hook, $1, 50% off essentially. This Gordon large snap blade utility knife, 56% off for $1. That seems like a pretty good steal. And these dollar days are the kind of things that you'll combine, these are the type of things you throw in as you're going in for the other deals. I'm pretty sure tomorrow they'll release most likely the extended parking lot sale, but as soon as it's out, I'll make a video for it. But regardless of the sale, these are the type of things that you want to combine with your sale. It's like, oh, do I need a Gordon large snap blade utility knife for $1? And while you're in getting a steal of a deal, that's the best time. Pittsburgh 1-inch steel spring clamp, $1, 22% off. Chicago Electric heat shrink tubing assortment, 9-piece, $1, 32% off. These 3.5-inch LED mini flashlights, 2-pack for $2, 33% off. Almost like if it's a dollar day, because you're getting 2 flashlights for $2, so it's like $1 per flashlight. Chicago Electric 1/2-inch by 7-foot protective wire wrap for $2, 42% off. Some safety, Western Safety impact resistant safety glasses. Safety first, $2, 33% off. And Pittsburgh 5 3/4-inch needle nose pliers for $2. That's pretty incredible. Someone try to do the nickel test with these $2 pliers. Then we have the Pittsburgh 6-inch torpedo level with magnetic strip for $2, 19% off. Grants, of course, 5-inch to 6-inch Terry microfiber and fleece polishing bonnets. 4-pack for $3, 39% off. This really enticing, although 24% off is not too bad. Didn't realize that these were this cheap, but 500-pound Hall Master capacity, 1-inch by 14-foot ratcheting tie down for $3. That seems like a really, really good deal. I won't look at Hardy the same because they were just 50% off, but we have these Hardy nitrile dip gardening gloves, 3 pair for $3, 24% off. Pittsburgh tubeless tire repair kit, 9-piece for $4, 41% off. That's a pretty good deal. The Franklin 40-inch by 50-inch moving blanket, 19% off for $4. Some Storehouse hose clamp assortment, your choice, $5, 22% off. You can do the 20-piece, 40-piece, or the mini fuel injection style 40-piece. 3-inch rubber light duty swivel caster and brake for $5, 16% off. The Pittsburgh 24-inch general purpose tire iron for $5, 33% off. And we have the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty SAE and metric long reach hex key set, 36-piece, $6, 33% off. And the Vanguard 10-foot 16 gauge 3-wire gauge indoor outdoor extension cord. I think I said that wrong still. $6, 14% off. Grant's 5-inch universal pad, your choice. Look at brand new Grant tool already in the dollar days. Universal pad, your choice of either heavy cut microfiber 2-pack or the compound polishing and finishing foam 1-pack, 19% off for $8. And then rounding out the Pittsburgh screwdriver set, 8-piece screwdriver set for $8. I mean, 8-piece screwdriver set for $10 is pretty decent. But an 8-piece screwdriver set for $8, 19% off, Pittsburgh, and a lifetime warranty. What? Then, last but not least, my favorite piece to end it on, the tarp. The 11-foot by 15-foot all-purpose weather-resistant tarp for $9, 30% off. And those are the dollar days. Definitely something to combine with potentially this weekend's deal or some of the super coupons that are going on right now, which I'll link in my description or I'll post it as a video to watch at the end. And then every once in a while, I will peruse the new tools page. And it looks like they have a few new tools that don't look familiar. This Predator, let's check this out. 4,400 PSI commercial duty pressure washer for $900. Look at those wheels. Look at that gun. You go off-roading pressure washing with this. Those wheels are bigger than the trailer wheels. So nice brand new Predator commercial duty pressure washer. And a couple more pressure washers. We have this 3,200 PSI, 2.8 gallons per minute, 6.8 horsepower pressure washer carb for $399.99. And then this 2,650 PSI, 2.4 gallons per minute, 5.6 horsepower pressure washer for $349.99. And then this last one, which I think I've seen a few people who have it already on Reddit, is the Hercules 12-volt brushless cordless quarter-inch right angle die grinder tool, only for $60, which feels like a steal of a deal for $60, 25,000 RPM. So there's some of the new tools. These other ones look relatively familiar. Some saw blades and some sanding belts. But I'll leave it at that. Check out the dollar days. Make sure these are like pocket stuffers as you're going in and combining them with your deals. Look out for the extended parking lot sale. Hopefully I'll come up with a video with that for tomorrow. And I'll leave it at that. Happy dollar days. Happy Harbor Freighting. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.